Once there was a poor girl named Anaya. She lived with her grandmother in a small village. Their house was old and they did not have much money, but Anaya always tried to stay happy. Every morning she walked to school with a big smile, even though her shoes were torn and her bag was very old. She loved studying because she believed education could change her life. One day, her school announced a writing competition. The winner would receive new books, a new school bag, and a small scholarship. Anaya wanted to join, but she felt shy because many rich students also joined. Her teacher noticed this and encouraged her, saying, "Believe in yourself. You can do it." Anaya wrote a story about kindness and hope. She put all her feelings into her writing. A week later, the results were announced. Everyone was surprised when Anaya's name was called as the winner. She felt tears in her eyes as she walked to the stage. Her grandmother hugged her tightly and said, "I am so proud of you." From that day, Anaya understood that being poor did not stop her from achieving her dreams. Hard work and confidence could change her future.